There is no better option for photo editing than Photoshop, I agree. But as a professional photo editor with 5 years of experience, I eventually got tired of doing the same repetitive task over and over, like brightening the skin, revealing face details, whitening the teeth, and so on. These tasks are simple but time consuming, So I came up with a solution by creating a Photoshop action that automates the process with just one click. Basically, it's a Photoshop action that you can download from the link in the video's description. Once you download it, unzip the file, open the folder, and just double click on the action to install it in Photoshop automatically. Then go to Window menu, choose Actions, and you'll see it listed as Skin Retoucher Photoshop action. I have added a lot of presets, so let's try them out one by one. Let's start by some makeup by making the lips of this model more saturated. To do that, select the corresponding action and play it. When it done its job, it will ask you to brush over the lips. And that's it. Check out the before and after. It is amazing because it has been done with just one click. Now this face needs some smoothness, so select the smoothing action and apply it. Again, just brush over the area and it will handle the rest. Let's change the eye color in this example. Select and apply eye color action. Once it's done the process, simply brush over the eyes. And you are done. Next, let's whiten the teeth. Apply the tooth whitening action, brush over the teeth, and you are good to go. And that's not all. I have added other features like skin smoothing, eye brightening, detail enhancement, and much more. I'm not going to show you everything in this video, so go ahead and download the action to try it yourself. And I also have other Photoshop tools that you might be interested in, so be sure to check them out too. I'll see you there. Until then, peace.